Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sushmita. Today I am going to show you how to use beauty blender properly. And whenever we talk about the beauty blender, there a topic comes, that is how to use foundation properly with the help of beauty blender. So I will show you the best way to use foundation and beauty blender properly. So let's see this video. The first step is to take a bowl of water and take your beauty blender and dip it off in the water like this. Just dip it off. You can see. Please don't use it dry. And squeeze the excess water. And please make sure there is no more water like this. No more water. Then take your foundation and put it there. With the help of your finger, just dot it on your face like this. Just dab your face with the help of beauty blender, not roughly. You can see this easily absorb the foundation. And don't forget to apply on the neck area also. See how easily absorbed this. And how to apply this under eye area, just with the help of this sharp area. Now let's see me with the complete makeup. So here is the complete makeover. I just use a kajal and a lipstick, that's it. So guys, if you like my video, then give a like and comment down below with your queries and video recommendation, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching my video.